Welcome to 100 Hours of Healing Annual Fundraiser, presented by Whole Self Unity. Whole Self Unity is a 501c3 nonprofit with the mission of fostering healing into wholeness through community, education, and treatments. Our vision is to become whole together. We offer classes, events, and fundraisers such as this to raise awareness and funds for integrative therapies. Integrative therapies are an and for your medical needs and attention. 100 Hours of Healing begins on November 11th and goes through the end of December 2022. You can purchase these presentations individually for $5 or all of the presentations over the entire weekend for $50. The link will be above or in the comments, or you can check our website at wholeselfunity.org. I'm Tracey Payton, Reiki Master, life coach and trainer focused on energy and creativity. I help women with too much on their plate find focused clarity to start and end their day. Today's presentation is on Overcoming Overwhelm. I'm excited to share with you some of the most powerful tools that come directly from a Stanford University course. I've chosen these tools that are great with overcoming overwhelm because I think no matter what your job, your career path, your life situation, or health, we're all dealing with this overwhelming stress. These tools are universal. They can be used at any time, day, night. They're very practical and very easy to use. The tools I'll be sharing today come from the course I teach called Clarity Catalyst. This course is based on a Stanford University master's degree program that was created in 1979. This course was originally designed for business students to help them find their true purpose, their authentic self, and the creativity through mindfulness and emotional intelligent practices. The course was incredibly well received and has been taught through 2002 when it was taken out of the classroom and given to over 400 women who lost their husbands in the 9/11 tragedy. It also changed their lives. And since then, it's been given to tens of thousands of people. Today's tools that we're going to be talking about inside the course are breathing, the calm palm, reflective writing, and many powerful questions, meditation, and my favorite, worry time. So as I mentioned before, donations for each presentation are $5 to gain full access to the presentation, or $50 to gain an all-access pass to all of Whole Self Unity's 100 Hours of Healing content. If you're unable to donate at this time, we would still love to connect with you and follow us for a free guided meditation. Let's become whole together.